Okay, hi, this is Attorney Lynn Robinson. I'm coming on this captioned case. It's a notorious, irreverent, God-bullying, be nice, immoral, antichrist, United States government, Ku Klux Klan, American Bar Association, Eddie Jack Jordan, American Medical Association, Scarecrow Murderer. That's Cheryl Howard again. She told me that they're not practicing law the way we were taught to practice law. I'm heading home, coming up this way, and this is Convention Boulevard, Convention Center Boulevard. And of course, I'm adjudicating this case, adding to it. In the light of what Eddie Jordan just did, he's done it, he does it. And telling me to shut my effing mouth up. He's looking at the record. Let's see. I decided to stop here. Add this evidence and make these points and prove how egregiously criminal Eddie Jordan is acting, and how egregiously criminal his corruption is. There's a hotel right here, the Marriott. And a car pulled up while I was coming along, and the poor passenger gets out of a car. She has one of those. It's a lady look like she's maybe Indian from India, like Bobby Jindal. Arthur Strauss told me Bobby Jindal likes money. She had the suffocating facial mask, hate crime he committed on her. It's a corruption case, a criminal case. And you don't tell anyone, you don't tell a lawyer, shut your effing mouth up. As Eddie Jordan does to me all of it, so repeatedly. You handled it in his alleged freedom of speech, expressing himself, his rights. All right, so let me see. As he talked, as I even asked me about SSI. I'm incompetent, stupid. Yeah, whatever the Donald Trump thing is, he concocted and accuses me of, calls me evangelical. That's all his fraud, of course. And that's they couldn't change it to that extent, even so. The lawyers are work the product to their ideas, how they're able to. Theories, legal theories, defenses, their thought processes on how they all strategies what have you in handling cases, how to go about handling a case skillfully. And this is a criticism. We have opinions criticized. That is by the courts, not by the public, not by voters. Intoxicated or sinners or mine. Look, I'll push you up, not that. And there's no room, as I just told others, how criticism. That's fraud anyway. You have United States Constitution amendments. Those amendments protect against not only discrimination on the basis of religion, but sex. They added sexual orientation, and it's exhorted you to do the analysis Just let others know I graduated from Xavier. What I'm excited about is I studied those Federalist papers at Xavier, about legislative history. Then in law school, legal research and writing classes. We took those classes, learned about legislative history and doing legal analyses. Using it. So it was not the intent of the original founders of the country and the United States law to grant homosexuals rights, or wicked people rights over and above God. Them with the Jesus jokes and all. As he go through his contempt, his contempt, he lets me have it. Of course, his contempt of court, he's acting, and I also told him why I used this caption. It was also to trace it back to Texas. They have the interest of Dan Robinson, and he's supposed to know it as an attorney. Even if he doesn't, this isn't what it goes to, what it results in. He can just lambast me and just because he doesn't call, and I'm probably angry because he knows he's guilty and I'm slamming him. Walk off. And they use those guns and all. That's contempt of court. Forget it. If they model, they have people following this. Judge Judy, her bailiff there, and always running his mouth. No, that's not how court goes. I'm talking about my design's not worth more. He's always trashing it, a bunch of lies, just like this. Of course, it's worth millions. More so because of God's anointing. I let some people say they were from Germany hear my music. And they say, if you think it's good, the great classical music.
Hello, Moto.
This is him. Hello. I'm adding to the record as I speak. I'll call you back. And as it is, what's going on? He's keeping it going. I'm not responding as non-responsive as he is, as if as a lawyer. The non-responsiveness, that's all. The objection, you ask where a witness is on a witness stand and they ordered to answer. And the consequences for failing to do so legal. And something with the Supreme Court. He's always asking me these crazy questions. I let him know, it's sarcastically also. They commit the FUB. I mean, there's no moment as I'm indicating. And as again, he then tells me shut the F up. To try to notice the sign before. But it's all in because no one is going to be run over like a Mack truck. In terms of crimes being committed on them. That's not the law. Shut your effing mouth up. Mind your attitude. Ain't nothing you can do about it. We got paid raises. It's not personal. Talking, keep talking. We'll talk. We'll show you. They broke the law when they changed the law. they're not going to, they're not legally allowed. So but stop those to commit crimes on anyone in Section 8 of the United States government. Thank you.